Okay, this is coat number 2. I'm gonna go and do a walk around while the fumes are down, overspray is down, and I'm gonna get the hell out because it's strong smelling. Oh, this is gonna look good. He's gonna do the firewall, same color, inner fender wells. It's gonna be a sweet looking ride. He's got to wait about 45 minutes on this coat of clear before he puts his last one on. As you can see, it's got a little orange peel in it. You put that last coat on, this has got to be just about completely dry. And now to get that orange peel out, he'll lay it on heavy and thick. But that does look sweet. That's going to be a beautiful color for a truck. Looking good. We'll see it tomorrow untaped. Got to end this one with the front view of it. That looks good. I love that color. That's going to be a sweet color.